a reputable company called Espadland has started its activities of selling unique and authentic handicraft, skin care and personal healthcare products. In a short time, Espadland has been able to provide good services to its customers in 5 continents: Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and the United States. Discover the latest high-quality designs with good prices and warranty. Espadland missions include: 1. The revival of culture and civilization. 2. The village of handicrafts. 3. Micro-investment in capital economy. Espadland Company is able to operate in 191 countries covering 51 international currencies. And with the cooperation of the most professional logistics and postal systems in the world such as DHL and UPS, as well as the most reputable international payment portals such as Visa, Master and American Express, it tries to serve its customers as well as possible all over the world. Espadland is the first and only international company in the world with a new and deconstructive line of thought that, for powerful industries, direct selling, handicrafts, metaverse personal healthcare and blockchain done integrated and implemented in its official proposal. By choosing Espadland, experience the success of the direct selling industry.